Alright, KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia card. Star Wars Masterworks time for kobe824. Just Kobe this time. kobe824. Box 3. Good luck, man. Good luck, Terry. Two from the back. Alright, Anakin blue. These cards do not want to focus on camera. Anakin Skywalker, card number 25, blue. I wonder if they did photo variations. Show of Force, Kylo Ren. That's right before he ran into his room and started being emo. Kylo Ren. And we have Jabba the Hutt. Jabba the Hutt. We got Lando Calrissian and his Colt 45. And FN 2199. You spin me right round, baby, right round. That is David Accord, who is the voice of Spinner Droid. Do it, Steven. Do it, Steven. We got our thickie. So it's apparently better to do the thick packs first. Now we got BB-8. BB-8. That is non-numbered. We got Great Rivalries. Salacious Crumb and C-3PO. How is that a rivalry? Really? That's funny. That's too funny. Figrin Don. Not numbered. Captain Phasma. And Ayala Sakura, Battle of Geonosis. Commemorative medallion, not numbered. Star Wars Attack of the Clones medallion. Alright, let's get this a little better. Come on. Come on, booklet. Or Death Star relic. Something just nasty. Alright, Boba Fett blue. Blue Boba Fett. These cards are so nice in person. Boba Fett. Anakin and Count Dooku. Padme Amidala. Royal Guard. Royal Guard not numbered. And Admiral Akbar, Battle of Endor, 17 of 99. 17 of 99, Battle of Endor, Admiral Akbar commemorative. Last pack. Where are all the sketches in this stuff? I've got 8 of 25. Purple, Jabba the Hutt. Eight of 25, Jabba the Hutt. And then 158 to 299, Alien Identification Guide, Tatooine Scavenger. Holofoil? The other one was what? Canvas. This one is foily, refractory. We got Finn base. Finn base. Boba Fett. Boba Fett, and that is 7 of 25. That is Freddie Prinze Jr. This is a 90s rom-com right here. Freddie Prinze Jr. as Kanan Jarrus. 7 of 25. It's canvas style. Freddie Prinze Jr. Thanks very much, Kobe. Let me know if you want to do anything else, Terry. You want to do another box, or you want to do a soccer? Maybe. It is low numbered, and it's Freddie Prinze Jr., which I can't imagine is